just in time for your summer adventure. Semi trucks are driving by. No, just in time for summer adventures. We've got a beautiful autumn green Ascent on a 2-inch lift, LP Adventure tire or wheels, some aftermarket tires, a Thule roof basket. This vehicle looks absolutely beautiful, and because this is an Ascent and it is a limited model, it can tow up to 5,000 pounds, which means that you can tow a small trailer behind it, either with a side-by-side or small camp trailer, something to go out and have just an amazing summer, either by yourself or with the family. If you don't quite want to go that far, then we have other autumn green Ascents without the additional accessories on it available as well. All of our new Subarus now come with the 2-year 24,000 mile prepaid maintenance included, which is a great benefit. It includes all the oil changes, all the tire rotations that will be needed for that first 2 years of ownership of your new Subaru. We're trying to make the ownership experience as affordable and easy as possible. We also have a huge number of used cars available if anybody's looking. You can check them all out at twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com. It's looking like we're going to have about 87 degrees today. So it should be a wonderful day to come down to Twin Falls Subaru, check out some vehicles, see which one might work out for your next car. We have new, used trucks, cars, coupes, convertibles, sedans, SUVs. We have hundreds and hundreds of used cars available. So come down, chat with our team. You can call and set your VIP appointment at 208-734-8860. That's 208-734-8860, and set up that appointment so we can have a car pulled up and ready for you. We have certified pre-owned cars, which come with a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty from the factory, from the original in-service date, so it can give you some peace of mind for time to come. If you just don't want to worry about that, of course, there's always the new options. We even have some Wilderness Outbacks on the ground available to be driven home. These are some very capable cars, very fun to drive. Front view camera, rear view camera, little bit of a lift, retuned eyesight, retuned differential, dual X mode with a new version of X mode that allows you to go a little bit faster when you're off-road to maintain traction as best possible. We have a beautiful blue Onyx Ascent, a white Onyx Ascent. And what sets the Onyx apart from the limited or premium or anything like that is that it comes with the similar StarTex interior that the Wilderness comes with. So it's a nice weather resistant, child resistant, stain resistant seat material. We have some great lease specials going on to help you get a nice new vehicle and as affordable of a payment as possible. Speaking of, if you were looking to go electric, we have a Solterra lease that's available for $650 a month, 48 months, just a few grand down to get that going for you. And it qualifies you for the $7,500 tax credit by leasing it through us. So that is another added benefit of working with our team. If you don't quite need another vehicle, or it's not in the budget and you want to keep yours running, we do have our service department open 6 days a week, including our express service drive. That's going to be the door on the far right with no appointment needed oil changes. However, it is nice to know who all we have coming in so we can make sure to be ready for everybody. And you can set those appointments either on our website or by calling 208-734-8860, 208-734-8860, And that website is twinfalls-subaru.com. It's twinfalls-subaru.com. Our goal is to have a Twin Falls Subaru sold car in every driveway in the Magic Valley. It's going to take us some time. It's going to require a little bit of persistence and help from our guests, but being the Magic Valley's #1 volume automotive retailer, it's putting us on a good path to getting in that direction to where we can help everybody in the Magic Valley drive a vehicle that came from our lot. That is our goal. It's what we're hoping to do. So we would love to show you how we do things different and help guests in a way that stands apart from the other traditional car dealers and their back and forth negotiation tactics and game playing and everything else that just nobody wants to deal with, especially not on such a beautiful Saturday. If you do decide to come down and you have a vehicle that you want to trade, that's great. We love trades. We need them. That's how we get most of our inventory. Just make sure that you bring the registration. If the car is not in your name, whoever owns it, have them come down with you. If you own it, bring the title down with you. Just anything that might be useful to complete the paperwork, it would be great to bring that along with you. Again, you can check out our available inventory at twinfalls-subaru.com. That's twinfalls-subaru.com. And we look forward to seeing you later today.